something that when I saw it on social media, I thought, wow, that's not like any yoga I've seen. You know, that works all the body and it's a good pace. It's got a lot of different moves and it looked like something I wouldn't be bored with. And it wasn't. I've lost 2 dress sizes. I've gained a lot of confidence. I'm much calmer overall. And my blood pressure went down and my doctor's thrilled. She said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it because your blood pressure's really down. I'm turning 59 in 3 weeks and I am much stronger. I'm much more flexible. I can stand on one foot and put my socks on. I couldn't do that in my 20s. I couldn't do that before yoga burn. So for me, you know, that's a huge difference. It's the little things I see. I'd say if you're thinking of trying yoga burn, what are you waiting for? All you have to gain is good health. I can't see my life now without yoga burn in it. I really can't.
I love yoga, but we had a vacation coming up in a few weeks and I wanted to trim down and look a little bit more fit. And as much as I enjoy my yoga classes, they just weren't burning enough calories. That's why I love the idea of a short, all-in-one routine that could burn calories and deliver the best of both yoga and working out at the same time. I thought the concept was great, and I really wanted to give it a try. Trying the yoga burn routine was such a great decision. I was able to trim down and tighten up my whole body just in time for my vacation. Not to mention, I still got my all-day energy boost that made me fall in love with yoga in the first place. Zoe and the community are so encouraging and supportive that I think this is the perfect fitness routine for even a complete beginner to yoga and working out. So yeah, I definitely recommend giving yoga burn a try.
Yoga burn has been different for me because physically, God, it's like a cardio class. It does do it. It's made me just feel more sexy even because I'm fitting into my clothes. People have commented on you know how good I look. Mentally, it really does calm me. It focuses me. It gives me that courage I may need at the time. The Facebook group is, oh God, out of this world. You get the support, you get the love, you get the encouragement, you get the guidance. For my arthritis, it's a miracle. Overall, when I look at it holistically, I think it just makes me a happier, more peaceful person. I'm so glad and feel so blessed to have found yoga burn.
I prefer yoga burn because it's a flow that, I don't know, just feels better. Sometimes at the gym, they're going very gung-ho and they don't care about the levels of everybody in the room. And sometimes you feel defeated because you're like, I can't do that. Where I find the yoga burn is a wonderful progression. So people are getting stronger and they're getting more flexible. I love it. It's such a great program. I highly recommend it. It's just a great way to start your day. It's a great way to end your day. It's just feeling that connection. And if you follow the program, you will succeed and you will see results. There's no excuse. Everyone has 15 minutes to commit to doing something good for themselves and hitting the mat. And once you get on the mat, you don't want to get off the mat.
This program altogether, I mean, it helped so much, so much. I lost my father back in July, and this was a big way to move forward for me. You know, the workouts, the calming, the learning to take one step at a time, one day at a time. So it has been amazing. I had tried yoga before, and it was the same thing over and over, and you kind of get bored of the same thing over and over, so I didn't stick with it then. The variety that is there is amazing. My body has changed drastically in those 12 weeks. It's amazing how much you tone up. I mean, my husband was even like, you must really like this. I'm like, yes, I love it. Take the leap and just do it and make this change in your life, and you'll be so happy that you did.
I lost
I'd say 10 pounds, maybe more. I know I've gained a lot of muscle. I can actually feel my ab muscles now where I never had them before. I had my husband feeling them the other day. I'm like, look, feel. You get this awesome yoga burn tribe. And I mean, seriously, since I've joined, everybody is just cheering everybody on and motivating. And I've never seen a negative comment from anybody on there, and everybody's helping each other. It is the best thing. I'm on it all the time. Anybody that's thinking about it, do it. It was probably one of the best decisions I could have made. So, you know, having my kids, getting married, yoga burn.
I had a health scare, which was my pancreas. So once I finally got that under control, I put on more than 40 pounds. And it's really, really, really hard to not fit in any other clothing and wonder, am I ever going to get back to good? Because I'm 54 years old and I'm not 30 anymore. You don't realize how that can impact progress, but I have found tremendous progress with yoga burn. I love it. Early on, I got such great results really fast, which is what is a great motivator. I really do see a difference in the shape of my body, and it's nice to see and see quickly. You know, within the first couple of weeks, I noticed I really truly was stronger. I can feel it when I move. This is for anybody out there that's put on a whole lot of weight, you know, that can still work for you. You don't need 10 hours at the gym and heavy weights or anything. You just step onto your workout mat and start. You are going to see results. I am speaking from experience. Just get it and do it. You're going to love it.
When it comes to motivation, it's really hard as you get older, and your programs and the way that you progress from each workout, from one to the next really is what helps me be motivated. So I don't get bored. I can feel that I'm getting stronger. I can feel I'm getting more flexible. I feel I'm standing taller, and I feel so much better and healthier in myself. And because I can see the difference, that gets me on the mat every day. And I enjoy it. And it's not a chore. And going to the gym, that was a chore. But I really do enjoy the yoga burn programs. And I can see the difference. If someone is thinking of trying yoga burn, stop thinking about it and do it. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.